I think it is also a coincidence that today the GST Council meet is happening in Goa. And therefore, being in charge of Youth Congress, it is important for us to talk about the state of the economy in Goa and in India. We would like to ask the government answers to a few questions. The first question is, why is joblessness at a 45-year high? This is a government that has enjoyed complete majority for more than 5 years. In spite of that, they have not been able to deliver jobs. It is unheard of that joblessness is over 6 to 9% depending on which statistics you believe.